Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Make sure the watch runs the required watch OS and has free storage, because offline playback needs local files. Next, connect the watch to a known Wi-Fi network and pair Bluetooth headphones directly to the watch. This removes the iPhone from the path. Also confirm you have an Apple Music subscription or that you've synced tracks from your Mac using the Music app. Once done, you'll be ready to add music and playlists to the watch for offline listening. You'll now perform the actual sync. From your iPhone's Watch app or from Music on Mac, pick the playlists, albums, or individual songs and choose Add to Watch. Syncing may take several minutes over Wi-Fi and charging. Once synced, open the Music app on the watch and navigate Library to verify the items are present. Make sure your headphones are connected directly to the watch. If storage becomes tight, remove unneeded podcasts or photos to free space. Then retry the sync until all chosen music appears. You're ready to play music without your iPhone. Open the Watch Music app, go to Library, pick a playlist or song, and press play. Controls appear in Now Playing. Make sure the watch is using the paired headphones by checking the AirPlay output. Also enable offline behavior in music settings if available so the watch favors local files. If syncing or playback fails, restart the watch, confirm Wi-Fi and that it's on the charger while syncing. Then retry the sync. This fix resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.